Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel Roko the Rider. And I know it's been a long time I haven't uploaded any videos and there was no video from my channel due to some personal reason. So from today onwards I will try to make video. And good morning all, and good morning from Deoghar. So in this Christmas we have traveled to Deoghar for Baidyanath temple, and now it's almost 7 o'clock and we'll move towards the temple for puja. Here we reached here yesterday night and today we have some plans, so please catch up with me and we'll visit some nearby places. So I'll show you all the places, how it is and what would be the cost and how the food is here. So everything will be uploaded in this channel, so stay tuned. Till then, bye for now.
A few minutes later.
Welcome back again guys. Since yesterday was very late for us to reach to Deoghar, so we took a normal hotel here and it's not that great but not bad as well. So the hotel name is Matara Hotel and I will show you what kind of amenities is available here.
Just take a breath.
So guys, here is the way to go to the temple.
5 minutes later.
Hi guys, welcome back again. So finally we have done our puja and inside it was very crowded, so I was not able to make the video. So you can see I might be looking odd, but yeah, here it's the ritual. And just check the view, outside view.
Just take a breath and take it deep to show the world that you can see a life that's full of wonder, but it will never be enough.
Hi guys, now we are going to start our journey and we'll be going to some tourist places nearby and we'll be. So guys, finally we have reached our first tourist place and which is known as Nandan Hill. So let's enjoy the view. We have reached our second destination and it is known as Tapan. So here you will get hill. Finally we are exploring Tapovan and it's really amazing. Here you will not get that much climbing experience, but yeah, it's not bad as well. Its overall experience is good. So you can see my backside view, it's amazing. Okay guys, so let's meet to our next spot. Till then, stay tuned.
2 hours.
Hi guys, welcome back again. So we had started our journey at 10 a.m. Now we visited at the final tourist spot and it is known as Trikut. Guys, see the view from here.
A life that's full of wonder, but it will never be enough.
Welcome back again guys and good morning from Messenger. So we came here, just look at the view.
1:30 later.
Welcome back again, guys. Whoever is thinking our vlog has been end, but it's not end yet. So here is something for you. So guys, today we came to a church which is located in Krishnanagar. So let's enjoy some view.